the World Wide Web. Salutations, YouTubers, loyal subscribers, guys. I hope that you guys are in an incredible place. I I know that I'm in an incredible place, guys, and there's just never been a better time to be an entrepreneur. There's never been a time to be in a place or in a space where you can create your own lifestyle, guys. And thanks to technology, we can do that, guys. Welcome to another easy online cash system video, guys, and we're going to continue on talking about how to create and build your own automated marketing systems. And this is video 3. And in this video, guys, we're going to be talking about how to create bridge and thank you pages, okay? In the last video, I think we covered, we covered the actual capture page. I showed you guys how to take a simple capture page and redirect that capture page to an offer, okay? And that offer, by the way, happened to be a training sales page of a training sales funnel that I'm actually putting together for you guys in real time as you come into the actual funnels. And the reason I'm doing that is because you may not want to do it right now, but at some point in time, you're going to want to become a creator, right? You're going to want to take more control of your marketing. You're going to want to take more control of your messaging. And by becoming a creator and using the HBA Funnel Building software, which is the software that I'm actually using to do everything that you guys see me doing in these videos, and you're standing over my shoulder watching me do it, by the way. And I think that for my creators and for people who really want to take a different path, just in terms of the way that you market, then you want to stay and watch this video, guys. You want to opt in if you're finding me on YouTube, and for you guys on my list, this is exclusively for you guys because I appreciate all you guys on the list. And for any of you guys who really want to take your business to another level, okay? All right, so let's get into the actual video and talk about how to create bridge pages. Now, the reason I like bridge pages, guys, is because using a bridge page and thank you pages is because you can create or add a branding component to your business at the front door, right? I'm going to say it again. The reason I like creating and using bridge pages and thank you pages is because you can create opportunity for you to add a branding aspect to your business at the front door. Now think about it for a second. Most people may simply take a capture page, they can create their own and it's fine, and redirect straight to an offer. Right? There's no bridge between the offer and that person, just the offer. They're redirecting from a capture page straight to a ClickBank product, straight to a JVZoo product, straight to a Warrior Plus product, right? Now, unless you're doing some other things, then that's a little bit different. Of course, if you got your own personal products or services, you just want to introduce somebody to you and those services, you'll be doing something different. But the point is, when you talk about affiliate marketing, and even in direct mail marketing, guys, you really want to put a branding component inside of your marketing. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm actually going to highlight 2 types of bridge pages, okay, because a bridge page is simply a bridge page. It's a page that bridges your potential prospect, right, it puts a bridge between you, right, your potential prospect, and that offer, right, whatever that offer may be. It bridges that gap. Thus, this is a great way to create that branding aspect that we talk about when we talk about branding in our businesses. And we're going to be talking about a lot about that, guys. For you guys who have the wherewithal to pick up this actual great piece of software, you're going to absolutely love it. Oh, I am so sorry I don't have the name of the new person who just came in today, guys. I'm not going to go over and look, but big props. Just got a new funnel building member just in the last couple of days, and I wanted to shout them out. But it's okay, guys, because we're going to keep on keeping on, and let's get hot, guys. So what I'm going to do from this actual page is I'm going to show you guys a standard thank you bridge page, right? And I'm going to show you guys an actual video bridge page, right? So you got a video bridge page that I'm going to show you guys, and you got a standard sort of thank you page that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go down and click here, guys, and show you a standard video bridge, or should I say this is a standard thank you page, right? Just a standard thank you page that I literally just created inside the HBA Funnel Builder just for this video, right? For this illustration, and it probably took me 7 minutes to do it. Now, these pages inside of the HBA Funnel Builder, you'll have already, there are templates that are already done inside the actual funnel system, inside the HBA Funnel Builder. And so you guys, just like in the last video, you can go up here and you can put your pictures in. You can do anything you want to. But we're talking about that branding aspect when you talk about your bridge pages, and whether it's a standard bridge page or a video bridge page, it really doesn't matter. There you are, up close and personal in your potential prospect's face, right? Now, one of the benefits of doing this is because if a person sees a name attached and a face attached or a video attached to an introductory video or bridge page, they're more likely than not to open the emails. We're talking about email marketing in this instance. If they see a person attached, people like people, right? How many of you guys get emails in your inbox and you this is coming from, you don't even know who they're coming from, right? I mean, you may know there's always usually a name at the bottom of the email, but there's never been a bridge created between you and that person. Now, some people may like the content that we're receiving, if it's good training or whatever, and you may stick with that person and it's cool. But you're going to give yourself an unfair advantage when you're able to create your own bridge pages and thank you pages. And this is just one example of what you're going to be able to do inside the HBA Funnel Building software. Now, I left this page like this because when you go to do your thank you page, you're going to thank your potential prospects for grabbing, and in this instance, I'm talking about the free automated system marketing training. You would simply put whatever you wanted to up in anywhere you want to. You know, you go thank you for grabbing whatever your offer is, and you would fill in the blanks, guys. It's just that simple. Now, what you want to do, and you can also let that person know. Check your email, right, from your name. All right, I didn't even fill that in, guys, because your name would be here, right? I could also put my name up here, down here. I could do all of those things. You can do all those things. The point is, there's the branding aspect. You can talk a little bit more about yourself on this thank you page. But here's the real cool thing, guys. Right from this thank you page inside the HBA Funnel Building software, you can click, and before the person even goes to their email, redirect them to something else they might be interested in. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to click there, and so I take the person right back inside of my training. Some bonus training I may have offered them, and there we are, right there on that page, right from a redirect that I did from a simple thank you page that can be created in less than 5 minutes, okay? So guys, the next page we're going to actually examine is a page that's known as a video thank you page or a video bridge page. Now, I love videos, guys. You guys know that, right? And so I'm going to show you guys, we're going to show you some guys, a lot of great examples of how we can interchange a video bridge page or redirect from a video bridge page to a capture page. I mean, there are so many things that you can do when you control and you can manage your marketing, guys. And when you talk about setting up your own automated marketing systems, it just doesn't get much better than this. I own the process. I don't have to rely on anybody to do anything for me because I'm able to speak my own success into existence because it's right at the click of a mouse at my fingertips using the HBA Funnel Building software and knowing what I know and what I've learned over the years, guys. And I am so incredibly grateful to be able to share it for particularly brand new people who are coming online and looking for ways to start their own business, to make money online, and they are creators, or they have that mindset where they want to just do something that's different outside of the status quo, right? Because you're going to get pitched business opportunities all over the place, right? But when you can create your own systems, your own funnels, your own automated marketing systems, and then you can do it in this fashion, guys, you truly give yourself an unfair advantage. Okay, guys, so let's get hot and let's go back down here to the actual video bridge page. We're going to click and I'm going to show you an example of the video bridge page, right? Now, this is a video bridge page, guys. Again, I just went inside my HBA Funnel Building software. I pulled one of my videos off of YouTube and I popped it right into the actual software, guys. How simple and easy can that be? The templates that are inside your HBA Funnel Builder, they're not like a lot of other funnel builders, guys. I had to learn HTML code. I had to learn a certain level of coding to operate to have the functionality in other funnel building softwares that I had, right? Not the case with this, guys. You have a video that you have on YouTube. You can simply take it out. You can pop it in here in mere seconds. I'm going to show you guys that in some future training. I just want you to know that it takes about 5 minutes to do it. Now, you get creative in your business. You can start doing whatever you want to do. I can take this video bridge page. In fact, Guys, I wish I could show you. I don't have time right now. I'm not going to do it. I have taken pages like this, and now, guys, the traffic is really off the charts. And I'm saying that to say this. I have ads like this right now running, right, in places. And let me show you guys something. I'm running the ads, right, and the ads are going up like this in some instances. And when a person clicks, they actually click there, and then they go to my capture page, guys, from the ad. So after the person sees my actual video, and they don't have to put their email address in here, guys, right? They could just opt to not do anything. I wish I could show you guys the numbers of the list that I'm starting to build, plural, from using this particular technique. So when you talk about the video bridge page, guys, you want to do something exciting. You want to speak in your own voice. You want to step outside the status quo, but you want to be using tools, techniques, tactics, strategies, resources that's going to get you in the place that you belong, right? Now, and in this video, by the way, I'm talking about money, and money, not following you around. The fact is, money is already waiting for you in the place that you belong. When you can create this type of skill set, you get to write your own check, right? You get to fill in the blanks because nobody owns your market. Okay, anyway, guys, so I think you guys understand exactly how the video bridge page work versus the sort of standard type of bridge page, guys. And hey, it gets even better, guys. Okay, now you guys are finding you already in the members area, guys. Big props, congratulations. Continue to go through the videos, guys, because we're gonna turn up the heat just a little bit. And when you guys are ready to see for yourself the kind of traffic that I'm getting, right, you'll get to tap into the 1 million ways to market, lead generation, traffic training, right? That's built into the system. You guys can go in there and check it out. You're going to actually absolutely love it. Maybe some of you guys have seen the free sales funnel that I gave you guys, right? You can pick that up at your leisure. All you have to do is run traffic to it. Tons of traffic over here inside the training. We're going to talk more about the Get Response Autoresponder, guys, and we're going to turn the heat up just a little bit. And for you guys who have not yet picked up the HBA Funnel Builder, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. Anyway, that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll try to keep these videos short. Play the video over, watch again how you can start creating these simple thank you pages, right? Just a simple thank you page that can actually redirect to wherever you want that page to redirect to, guys. You know what I mean? You can get as creative as you want to when you're doing this. And if you prefer to start interchanging in your marketing and using some of the actual video bridge pages, you can do all this stuff in less than 5 minutes inside the HBA Funnel Builder. That's my video, guys. That's my time. I appreciate you guys so very, very much, particularly for you guys who are on my list. You have questions about anything, guys, hit me up. My email is all over the place. Or if you don't and you're finding me for the very first time on YouTube, hit me up. My information will be in the description area, in the YouTube description area. You'll find it. I'm ecstatic. Okay, love you guys. Keep doing the next best thing and activating the best version of yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.